Hi and welcome to my teaching website. Today I'm going to do a tutorial on the Sesame Streets website. I personally think that this website is super effective, efficient, it's engaging, it's all of the above. I think it has some really great videos that can teach the kids just like the basic stuff that sometimes parents or teachers might not know how to drive home all the way, and these videos really help drive it all the way home. And students have a really fun time on this website because the videos are fun, the games are fun, you can draw some funny pictures. I found that students seem to really enjoy this website. Personally, I think this is a really great website for kindergarteners, maybe even first graders, but honestly, any student in elementary school can learn something out of this website. So today I decided I'm going to focus on the COVID-19 pandemic and the basic hygiene. This website has some really great videos that sometimes parents might not be able to fully explain to a student what's going on right now. And I think that this website really drives home the importance of washing your hands, the importance of your basic hygiene, the importance of like covering your sneeze, covering your cough. So this is the video page, and it starts out on a really positive note, having Elmo singing Happy and You Know It, and which is really great, especially during this time. If you scroll down a little bit, you'll notice that the front 4 videos are all about your basic hygiene. And I personally think they did this because a lot of teachers and maybe even parents have been using this website as a teaching mechanism to explain to their student or child why washing your hands is super important right now and why covering your mouth and your nose when you sneeze or cough is also super important right now. So this is going to be the wash hands video.
Wash, washy, wash, washy, wash your hands. Scrub them while you sing this song. Wash, washy, washy, wash. Rub your hands and fingers in the places in between. Using soap and water makes your hands so clean. Wash your hands. Make sure you're almost done.
Alright, so that's just a little bit more than half of the video, but as you can tell, the video really drives home how anyone should wash their hands, for how long, because this video is also 20 seconds long, which is exactly how long anyone should be washing their hands. It also explains how to wash your hands, and then you can go down here, click on this video.
Learn to cough and sneeze with your pal.
And this one's all about
Step 1.
covering your
Realize you're
cough,
about to sneeze.
covering your sneeze, and why it's super important right now. And I think these videos really drive home the fact that any kid should know this, proper manners, and also basic hygiene too. Back to the home page. You can explore more if you would like. They have some more fun games that you can play. You can draw some fun pictures. I just personally think this website's a really great one for teachers to drive home to students about specific things, especially in the video tab. So I love this website. I think it's super engaging. I think it's enhancing. I think it's very effective, and I think it's efficient. So, thank you for coming to my tutorial. I hope you all enjoyed, and have a good rest of your week.